standing here in the Smokehouse in Lund at the Firefighter Center, and we're very happy to have them help us doing some evaluation study of the Ulocs device. Right? Did you like it?
Of course I did. I'm a fireman.
Hi, I'm sitting here with Stefan Svensson, who is the guy in charge of the exercise today. Tell me a little bit more about yourself.
Well, like Ann said, my name is Stefan Svensson. I'm an associate professor at the Department of Fire Safety Engineering and System Safety in Lund. I'm in charge of the fire laboratory. I'm also a part-time fireman, so I work on shifts every 4 weeks. Today we have been testing the workload for firemen in a hot environment. So we've been using the fire training facility at the fire station in Lund. About 70 degrees Celsius inside. We looked at heart rate and skin temperature. And we also used some accelerometers to look at motions. And along with those tests, we also tested a positioning system from Ulocs, which from my point of view was sort of comfortable to use. I didn't feel it at all. I had it on my foot, so I forgot all about it, which was basically the same with all the measurements. We couldn't feel anything, so the measurements themselves didn't interfere with the tasks we did inside the training facility, really.
And why do you try these new systems out, and why do you persist in doing new tests of new type of equipment?
Well, the temperature measurements was for actually looking at how do the hot environment affect the human bodies. In this case, the firemen working inside a hot environment. The positioning system, from my perspective, there's always it can be very hard to localize a fireman inside the building. If a firefighter goes inside, it's hot, it's smoky. You have an officer on the outside. The officer doesn't really know where the guys are, and in some cases you want to know where they are, especially if you get some kind of emergency perhaps, where you need to evacuate those people, the firefighters, very fast, and you need to find them very fast. If you can't find them, you can't rescue them, so a positioning system would be a very good thing to have, actually, and the easier it is to use it, the better it is, of course.
Okay, thank you very much for taking us in today, and hopefully we will be able to show some great results based on the exercise.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And then it locked.
I don't know how it made it, but when you put it inside, it like sit comfortable.
Time for some exercise.
Yeah.
The reference guy. Tell me what you're going to do.
Yeah, I'm going to take a round around the fire exercise room where it's around 70 degrees Celsius, and I'm gonna check the entire location there. I'm gonna do some movements of the body, like falling down if I'm not okay with the temperature, and like movements of a body, like hanging around and like pulling up the things and like doing all kind of stuff.
Yep.
To exactly see how it looks like.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go. Okay.